Maybe erase that. What's your little bit of homework that you had? Very little, really little. The other ones due Thursday, by the way, and remember you have a quiz on Friday. So a radio station plays, what is this? 30 songs in 4 hours. Obviously, hours is my independent. Songs is my Y. So we have a relationship here, and we can put the point 430. 4 and 30, right? Because this is my X and this is my Y. Right, from the statement, I can already go ahead and find my constant proportionality, which is going to be 30 divided by 4, and K equals 7.5. What else can I do with that information? You guys can obviously already write the equation of the line, which is 7.5x. You can also find the unit rate, and what's the unit rate? 7.5 songs in how much? In 1 hour. And that's the unit rate. So look how much information we got just from that little statement. Create a table. We have hours, and we have songs. And I'll put my X value, my Y value. 1 hour, I have 7.5 songs. 2 hours is 15. 3 hours is 22.5. 4 hours is 30 songs, right? So if you notice, it's all times 7.5, right? Times 7.5, times 7.5, etc. Do a little graph. X, hours. Y will represent the number of songs. I'm going to choose to do this scale. You can choose another one. Up and down is going to give by 7.5. So every 2 for me, 7.5. So we're going to go 1, 2 and 15, 3 and 22.5, 4 and something. And you'll notice that it is a straight line. Again, these are my points. We already have a name for the line. Y equals 7.5x. Okay. Constant proportionality, equation of the line, label everything. We're good? Super simple. Number 2 is the same thing. So for this case, 90 articles of clothing using 6 washing machines. We'll put the washing machines here on my X. And articles of clothing, the number of article of clothing. So again, let's just go about and do that. So X and Y. So X is my washing machine, which is 6. Y is my article of clothing, which is 9. So there is our point on the graph. We use that. 690, we're going to get 90 over 6, and I believe that's 15. So K equals 15, which I can also write as my equation line. It's going to be Y equals 15x. And I can also write my unit rate, right? Because my unit rate is going to be 15 article of clothing over for every 1 washing machine, right? So there's my unit rate. So just like the previous problem, we got all that information just from this statement right here. Okay, so X and Y. X is my washing machine. And this is the number of clothing, right, that I have. So 1 washing machine, 15 articles of clothing. 2 washing machines, I can fit 30. And again, there's our relationship. X, Y. Again, this one we can space it out nice and easy. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Going up, we're going to go by 15th. And again, this one. 45, 60. Please label. Y is my, X is my washing machine. And Y is the article of clothing, right? The number of items, clothing that you're putting in each washing machine. So again, proportional, straight line, goes through 0. Give it a name. Ta-da! Too easy. Sorry, guys. I will find something more challenging. And then I think we did the paint one, and let's do this one. So make it a little smaller. Well, not too small. We want to constant proportionality, okay? And we want to check with two ordered pairs, okay? So see if I can fit all this. Now let's find the constant proportionality first. So here we have an equation, a line. It's proportional, goes through 0. So let's find a point, an actual point. We can use this one, 1 and 2.5, if you like. If you don't want decimals, try to find another point. 2 and 5 we can use. We can use 3 and 7.5. 4 and 10. 5 and 12.5. So there's a lot of points that you can use. Pick one. Now, they want the constant proportionality. We really don't have to do anything. This is the unit rate, right? So we have $2.50 for 1 pound of blueberries. So that's the unit rate. And if you know the unit rate, guess what else you know? We know what K is. K is 2.5. And if I know K, do I know the equation of the line? Yeah, I do know the equation of the line. Y equals 2.5x. All that from this little point right here. So I think the first answer, the K equals 2.5, that's the answer. The equation, Y equals 2.5. Look at that, I'm doing all without even know. How does the equation relate to the graph that is shown below? The equation is the equation of a line that is proportional, that represents proportional relationship. Okay. And then at the bottom, the last, and I'm gonna have to move this, guys. Sorry. And check your work with two ordered pairs. Okay, so I want us to check our work with two ordered pairs. Can I move this? Okay. So, should not have moved. No. Just a little bit lower. Okay. All right, so that's good enough. So let's check our. So here is our equation. So let's check if that our equation is correct. Pick 2 points that are on the line. All right, pick 2 points on the line. Let's pick this one right here. That is, no, let's not pick that one. Let's pick, I don't want to deal with decimals. So let's pick 6 and 15. That's the point of the line. Point 6 and 15. If the point 6 and 15 is on top of this line, then it will make that equation true. So let's substitute. So instead of y, I'm going to write 15. And over here, instead of x, I'm going to write 6. 15, and what's 2.5 times 6? It is indeed 15. So you know, that's one check. Pick another ordered pair. Let's pick an easy one. Let's pick 2 and 5, which is right here. No decimals again. I'm going to put 2 and 5. And I'm going to use the equation y equals 2.5x. So y is 5 in this case. My x value is, 2. So if I multiply 2.5, 2.5 times 2, will my equation be true? Yes, it is, because 5 does equals 5. So again, I just checked. Okay, so my equation is definitely the correct equation for this particular line. Okay, that was it. Jeez.